Today is the last film day of the Cinnamon Valley miniseries. We started the morning by receiving a blessing to officially welcome us into the Balinese culture.
Sarwa prani hitang karah mamoce sarwa papa biapala Yesua sadesiwa papa ham papa karma ham papa papa sembawa terakhir mampu nari kaksa kena cimam carak satua kesantawia kai kedosa kesantawia wajib kemamu kesantawia mana sedosa tat presiden kesabusuaram ina aksaram kina padam kina mantram tatwa cina bakti minawudib sadesiwa namu suti hom mantra kinam karya kinam bakti kinam maki suara iat puji temak di paripurnam tat astu. Drink 3 times ya. Drink.
Drink?
Yeah.
Okay.
2, 3. Wam sarwa balikam pertiwi Brahma Wisnu Maheswara Kanakeng Dewi Putra Sarwada Sarwamastu Idam Masukham Sampraja Kanam Sarwada sudah mala sudah roga sudah dada petaka sudah wiginam sudah sekala wiraneng dosa mala sudah dada upata Om Wayu Putra Tubiam Namaswa. Wam sarwa wigena winasaya tu sarwa klesu winasaya tu saraduku winasaya sarapapu winasaya namu namaswa. One more time. Are you ready? Blessing ya.
Yeah.
The same. Drink. Wam upata neng sang ayatnya kalukat kalubur dedik sayang tayu sekadang neng papu petak neng saruda sumala gelah pateltar kisare murai kisare Om Pratistu Parisubsi dirastung. Yeah. Now you ask the mantra, special mantra, because for finish ceremony.
Yeah.
Om Santi, 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 Om 3 times.
With you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Om Santi, 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 Om. The blessing already finished.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
And now your husband, yeah? No?
Not yet.
Boyfriend, yeah? Boyfriend, yeah?
Boyfriend.
Yeah. No problem. The water.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah. You feel it's good, yeah?
Yeah, it's great. Thank
Connection to the
you.
universe.
It's perfect. Yeah.
Thank you ya. Wah, upata ning sangayatnya kalukat kalebur dening sayang tayo sekadang ning papu petak ning saruda sumala gelah petaletar gisare murai gisare Om Pratistu Parisubsi diraswi nama suwake. Wah, sarwa wigena winasaya tu sarwa klesu winasaya tu saraduku winasaya sarapapu winasaya namu namaswa. Eat without
chewing.
ya, simbolik. Nah, Balinese Santi Om. Yeah.
Perfect.
And now maybe you need like Balinese also symbolic. We call benang Tridatu. For men ya, right hand. For woman left hand. Yin and yang, lingga and yoni, and ida and pingala. Hida woman and pingala man. It's okay.
Yes.
And now
For me?
Yeah,
your
excellent.
girlfriend ya.
Yeah.
Woman left hand, left ya. Keep you comfortable together, keep until let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah. If comfortable ya.
Yeah.
If no comfortable it's okay.
To take it off.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Like Balinese.
Photo with you.
Yeah. If are you comfortable with me ya? I'm in the middle.
Yeah.
Ah.
Exactly.
I'm in the middle ya. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. One more ya. Thank you ya.
In the traditional style of packing too much into one day, I immediately reset my gear before we jumped into a car to go rafting in Cinnamon's Rainforest.
I've been rafting before.
One time in Mexico and I was scared.
I used to kayak, so I've done some white water, but not
That's
those.
easy, soft,
It's normal water.
normal water. Okay, good.
We will be rafting down the Telaga Waja River for 3 hours. Our guide Made was great, and he did most of the hard work.
Where's less water?
In the middle. Okay, I'm in the front then.
It's that old school drop top
I hadn't thought about what to expect on this rafting trip. I didn't have time to ask about it and just assumed that the fertile land either side would be farmed or built on. I was wrong. We spent hours floating through untouched rainforest. In some places the river had carved so deep that the rock face towered alongside us. It's hard to even get a sense of scale through this ultra-wide 360 lens. I'm having to warp the image so hard to fit everything in.
Thank you.
Very much.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.
This is Agung. He is one of the staff at Samanvea's luxury resort that we've been staying at, and that has been organising these crazily packed days. He is taking us in to meet his mother, who is considered to be one of the best and fastest traditional Balinese weavers.
My name is Agung. She's my mom.
My name is Gusti Mira.
There is a neighbor of my grandmother. Yeah, her sister actually. They teach my grandmother to do weaving, and then my grandmother teach my mom to do weaving. For one sarung completely, you need to join two pieces of sarung, and the name of sarung is songket. This is special sarung. Normally, Balinese people will wear for wedding ceremony, for special ceremony. For the men, the sarung will be two different sarung. This is the first one, the inside one, and then this is the outside one. So the inside one will be the same sarung as this one, so not songket. And then the outside one to wrap the normal sarung will be the songket one. And for the woman, they only have one piece of sarung to wear. So the woman will use the songket only. That's the difference of man and woman sarung. Because she not really take a break, like just start early morning, maybe 5 a.m. already start, and then she doing cooking as well, cooking for me and family. So maybe take like 1 hour for cooking, so back to weaving, and then until the lunch time. After that, maybe just like 30 minutes break, coffee time or something like that, and then continue to do weaving as well. This is like just like short break and then keep working, and then sometimes she can finish the weaving like midnight.
So from 5 a.m. to
Yeah,
midnight.
yeah, exactly.
For 8 days.
For 8 days. Yeah. Motivasi.
I don't know. Tidak berpikir, fokus saja. Fokus.
To make the pattern as well, a little bit complicated to remember where you put this part, something like that.
Okay.
So
Fokus.
So it's kind of like a meditation almost.
yeah, I guess with the sound of the tools. The normal speed double, which is like 2 weeks to finish. There is some slow as well, like they will consuming like a month to finish one piece of sarung. Her dad made this one for her. It's like already 40 years ago, like when she started weaving.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. That's all.
I think that's everything.
Okay.
Thank you.
I've put Agung's Instagram tag on the bottom left and in the description, so if you have any more questions or maybe even want a piece of this incredible hand-woven work, send him a message and he'll get back to you. And so our first visit to Cinnamon Valley has come to an end. There were so many new experiences and lessons learned during this trip, many of which I will never forget. I'm already looking forward to taking you guys on another adventure. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. See you soon.